What? Are you serious, Daniel? Alright guys, so today I'm out here. We're gonna make a slime video. We're gonna see whose slime comes out the best. Yes. So
we have a gallon of glue, 5 bowls, paint, little foam balls, things, have Tide, then we have like water to wash up our hands and like put water in the slime. Yeah.
Alright, good. So basically I brought water because I was gonna mix it with borax soap, but I didn't have any borax soap. So they had Tide, so we're gonna use Tide. So pretty much we're not gonna really need the water, so scratch that off.
Alright, so like
we're gonna teach Daniel how to make slime.
So first you put in the glue or this gallon. Then
you're gonna put the whole gallon?
No, like some of the gallon. And then you could color it, like mix it well, and then you can put water if you want to make it more like
slimy. Is that the word?
Slimy, yeah. And then you need it like if you're gonna put foam balls, you need it more stickier than on like the hard side.
All right, so let's begin. Your smiley faces. Cheese. Ellie, show me your smiley face. Alasia. Ready? All right, so what do we do first, everyone?
Put in the glue.
The glue, cuz. You can put some glue. All right, how much glue? It don't matter?
I'm gonna make a lot.
Make a lot. Okay.
Daniel, you're weird. I never made glue food. I never made glue.
Okay, that's enough.
You want it to be more jiggly? Then put some water like this. Like this.
Nah, stand over here.
Yeah, that's a little bit of water. You need it. Then mix it. Mix it, Daniel. Mix it. With the spoon.
All of that be.
I think I'm gonna put more. Where's the big bottle? Here.
Hey, give me another glue.
Give me another glue.
Yeah, the bit on there.
I'm gonna make mine.
There, that's enough. That's good. That's good. That's good. He just showed up and he's like, I'm good.
Yeah.
Alright, put that back. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit starting.
Alright. So you gotta do that and you just mix it.
Cha.
Ooh, it's like an activator. Is that what you guys call it?
Yeah, it's exactly what it's called, Trudy. That's right, Trudy getting into the young age.
It's an activator, y'all. You guys hear that? It's active. I'm gonna even put it activator. What the meaning of this word is. That's the word for today.
Activator.
Oh, tripping.
Go find a stick, Daniel, so you can mix your slime.
There. That's too much.
Too much.
I'm not putting way more than I'll use it. Alright, put in more activator. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I forgot a little bit. I need a spoon. Why? I'm gonna use my hand.
No, it's not ready. You need to put more. Better.
It's weird to vlog because people out here don't really vlog and everybody's looking at us. You know, what's up everybody? I'm vlogging. Oh, look at Alasia's. Check out. Go, Alasia, go. Go, Mama. I want to see your bowl. That looks so awesome.
Mine's
I need more activator.
Activator. Activator.
Trudy. Let's go. Alright, there, Daniel. Put me some.
Mine's very sticky.
There.
I need something like. Can I use it on my hand?
What? Could she use a spoon?
No, use it with yeah, mix it with your hand
Do
if you
we
want.
get to keep it?
If you want.
No, dude.
That's why we're making it, so we can give it to Trudy.
Hey, be nice. I think Alasia's need a little bit more.
I need to go get my board. Trudy, give me some more, please.
More?
Mine's not sticky.
See, that's why I told you.
Mine's not sticky anymore. Get it.
Trudy, mine's not sticky. Well, it is, but.
Yeah. Mine's getting too good.
If you do slime at home, leave a comment on tips on how you guys use or do slime. Either you use Tide, borax soap, or what other things you guys use.
You could do it with like contact solution and
solution. Baking soda. Okay, that's a new one. See, I didn't even know. So, comment down below on how you like to do your slime, I guess. I told her the table had a lot of germs. So, alright, I see you with that slime.
Now can I put the little...
Start it up. Running it.
Let's see what you have. What's your name? I don't even know your name.
Mariana. Oh. Metal. Metal.
Yeah, I think you need more of this stuff.
I don't even know your name. You can get on your mind.
You're anonymous.
What's your hat already?
We won't say your name.
Oh, do it.
Where's your sister?
Ooh, that one's looking pretty cool.
Yours is on the bed. My hands are hard.
Mine's on the back.
Look at Daniel.
I love bad. G.
Let me see, Daniel. Wait, it's getting blurry. Hold up. Ooh, nice.
Hey, run it up. Oh, I'm on.
All right, so now you can add what, Alicia?
The little balls.
Or color?
Oh,
You're not gonna add color?
Yeah, you see. look
Daniel,
at-
you want to add color to yours?
Yeah, G.
What color do you want to add?
Or like.
A red food and black.
It's gonna make it purple because it's already blue. So what color do you
I'm
want?
gonna put a lot of red.
You gotta think about it. Red and blue make.
purple.
Good job.
Green.
What color did you add? That look pink.
I know it does. Come in. Daniel.
That looks pink.
Some color. Food trip. Oh.
No. Just keep going. Daniel.
Yeah, G. Let's get it.
What'd you put?
Purple. I'm gonna be the supreme slime food.
I don't care if you take all germs.
All right. You're making a big old situation happen over here.
Pretty good now, food.
Oh, that looks kind of crazy. Let me see the colors. That looks kind of scary though.
It looks like bark.
I'm gonna use the last of this. Mine's gonna be a little purple.
Mine's like pastel purple.
Look at your sweater. Daniel.
It's
Alright, it's what's that right there?
Hey, yours is pretty dope.
those are foam balls to make it like crunchy. You should have done it. You should have done that in the bowl, Alicia.
That's too bad.
Mine good yet? Look at mine. Pop all the colors,
Yeah.
G.
Wow. What? Are you serious, Daniel? You're gonna mess up your slime.
Yeah, tripping.
Let's take this away from him.
Hey,
Really?
I still need purple.
It looks like
Barf, bro. You already know.
no.
It's like, nah, G.
I want some foam balls.
Hey, bro, I don't need no help.
All right. That looks pretty good already.
That sounds a lot. It's like balazo.
Okay. Ready, girl? How many do you want? That's okay.
Put me some
Put them in the bowl.
I'm gonna do how the professionals do it, alright?
Swirl
Put it in here.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, Dad.
Washing my hands.
Alright.
Hey, look at that.
Daniel. Alright. I'm gonna swirl it.
Yeah, mine looks like, I don't know what it looks like.
Oh my
To be
god, mine is
honest,
a lot.
It
You can
looks,
share them with her
it looks hella deep.
Hey, with Mariana?
Big mofo.
if it's gonna get too many.
Hey, Naji.
Wait, Daniel, I'm gonna help you on this because you know what? You stealing.
I'll come back when this finished.
That's good, Daniel.
Hey,
Look
hey.
at
I'm getting some beads.
Okay.
Feels like hardly even in here.
Okay, get some. Oh yeah, well if you wanna get something here.
Oh, I got hella G. If we took all of them.
Go ahead.
Purple hella.
Where's Ellie at? Oh, okay.
I'm gonna call this one bubblegum.
I'm gonna call this one Mojito.
That doesn't even look that. It looks so nasty.
Hella G.
Let me see. Daniel's, yours feels good. Like,
Does
just
it?
the feeling of it feels good.
So he's a professional slime maker now, guys.
I barely ate it today.
No, just kidding.
They're not all for me. Put them in.
So that's Alicia's slime. Trying to focus right
Alicia's.
here. Alicia slime.
Did you zoom into my face?
Tutti frutti.
Let's see your slime.
That's what I called her. Black one.
Ooh, that looks real nice. You didn't add color though. You don't want no color?
Let me feel yours.
Hey, boo.
That was already staged. Want to make it more crunchy? No?
Hey.
Alright guys, so
I'm not coloring. How do I add coloring? That's better.
guys, this is a slime video of the day. Alright? Crunch it up.
Okay, hold on. I have to make it long.
Oh wow, it feels kind of creepy.
Alicia always wants to do that.
I always love doing that. We're gonna add lotion.
Wait, what?
We're gonna add lotion once we get home because it makes it more stretchier. Well, mine is like
I'm very soft. Or you
like
could just
really
run it
soft.
under like hot water.
Yeah. There's like a video, just search it up. It's how to fix dried up slime. And yeah. Cause you can't tell, but my slime's really hard. So.
Alright guys. Okay, so I guess we're done. For today's video.
We might make more like videos with Trudy, so stay tuned. And subscribe
I guess
to
we're
Trudy's
gonna
channel. Lady True 90.
Subscribe and turn on the notifications, the little bell. I know I don't look my best. I just wanna pretend my face is there.
I'm gonna tell Trudy to start making shout outs. So
Alright, shout out to Alicia. Shout out to Mariana. Shout out to Ellie for being here and making the slime video.
Elisa Cervantes.
Shout out to you guys for watching this video.
Shout out to Daniel and Mero
for being here with us and making slime today.
Yeah.
Out of nowhere, randomly making slime with us.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this slime video.
You should want to free ticket.
And turn on Trudy's post notifications because I'm gonna tell her to start giving shout outs.
Like this video if you like to do slime at home and if you also do it with Tide. Leave comments below, like I said earlier, on what type of activators you guys do. If you get what I'm saying.
Did you just like...
I'm trying to...
She was like this. She's like, you get what I'm saying? Like,
you get what I'm saying? This is a little, yeah, you kind of do. It feels,
ooh, gang!
Kind of, ooh, gang.
Watch out!
Break my camera, I'll break your face. You do need a little bit of lotion.
Walls to it, then it doesn't get sticky.
Okay, let's make like what is it called?
Thumbnail.
A thumbnail. All right, ready guys? Where's the glue?
The glue?
All right, I'll hold this and you guys can be live. Wait, let it. Okay, got it. Recording.
Hi.
Well, we gotta clean up, but that's not the.
Behind the scenes
of cleaning up.
Oh my god.
Alright, so I'm gonna go clean up these plates.
Trudy, make another video behind the scenes.
Alright, so
So now
what
we're cleaning up.
happened was the reason why we made this video.
Well, first of all, is because okay, so Trudy's like an aide at our school.
Wait, I don't want to know that.
Trudy's our neighbor, and then we were just bored, so like we live right there. Then Mariana, then Trudy, and so yeah, we were just talking at the park because she takes her daughter to the park sometimes. And then so we were just talking.
Give me a piece of your slime.
And then we know Trudy has a YouTube channel, so we're like, hey, we want to be on YouTube. So then we told her like we should make a slime video, and she's like, yeah, we should do one. And then we talked about this like last Friday, I think, and then we made it happen.
I think it was last month.
We can't even see your face.
On Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. February
The 7th.
It is? Yeah. 7th. Oh yeah, this is 7th.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Okay, bye guys. See you guys next time.
Deuces!